It's time to go ultra-wide. Today, we will be unboxing my first ultra-wide, the LG 34GN850. Let's get started. The monitor stand comes in two pieces, and installation is super easy. Accessory wise, you get a power cable, power adapter, USB-A to USB-B upstream cable, display port cable, HDMI cable, mouse cable holder, warranty card, an overview of the items, and a quality assurance report. Spec-wise, you're looking at a 34-inch curved IPS display with a resolution of 3440 by 1440p. Max brightness of 400 nits with a 1 millisecond response time and 144 Hz that can be overclocked to 160 Hz. First impressions, the design is clearly gamer orientated, however, you could get by using it in an office environment. Adjustability wise, you have tilt, decent height adjustment, and the monitor head can be rotated up to 3 degrees left or right. On the productivity side of things, you are looking at a great setup. You can easily pull up 2 documents side by side, and for me personally, I've used two 23-inch monitors for work and I don't feel like I'm missing any screen real estate. On the rare occasions I need to throw in a third document, this monitor can accommodate that. Video editing has always been a challenging process in the past, mainly due to using a single monitor. Moving to the ultra-wide has been an amazing experience. It's made my workflow much more streamlined. Another layout I use often is splitting up the screen like so. This allows me to pull up information on the screen as a reference and have access to the file explorer at the same time. Let's talk about gaming.
3 symbols, 4 sculptures. There's a fire under that one.
So we can probably light the others too.
There must be a way to get to them.
I'm sure this is why most of you have clicked the link for this video. Right off the bat, there is a negative, so let's address it. Some games do not natively support ultra-wide resolutions. That is aspect ratio of 21:9. Most games have a 16:9 ratio. So when you play these games on this monitor, it will have black bars on the left and right of the screen. An example would be A Plague Tale: Innocence. All is not lost. After a quick Google search, I found a post where they mentioned a workaround to get the game to play in a 21:9 ratio. Here we have the same game with the workaround enabled. It works great. I can't pick up any issues with it. Now, if you have games that natively support a 21:9 ratio, you are in for a treat. I recall playing Man-Eater on my 23-inch monitor back in South Africa, and it is much more immersive on this ultra-wide. Lastly, I want to cover consuming content and general usage. Due to the ratio of the ultra-wide, again, most videos will have black bars on the left and right of the screen. Yes, this can be annoying, and I have tried a few add-ons in the past that are supposed to help stretch the media, but they can be hit or miss. Now, much like gaming, when you do experience 21:9 content on the screen, it's something else. You really have to see it in person to appreciate it and get the full picture. No pun intended. To sum it up, I feel there are 2 groups of ultra-wide users out there. For the people who want an ultra-wide purely for gaming, and a group who will be using it for multiple tasks. If you fall into the first group and you do not have a PC that can handle 144 Hz at 1440p, I would advise you to save up and upgrade your PC first, then purchase this monitor, as this would give you the full experience. Now, if you fall into the second group, that is considering picking up an ultra-wide monitor for gaming, editing, or productivity, and maybe you don't have a PC that can fully utilize all those pixels, I would still recommend you can upgrade to an ultrawide. The reason is that you will be using the monitor for more than only gaming. It's an easy recommendation. You get the benefit of moving to an ultrawide for editing or productivity now, and later, once you upgrade your PC, you get to fully experience the gaming side of things, which is exactly the position I am in currently. I have an Intel Core i7 8700, 16 gigs of RAM, and a GTX 1080. I can enjoy my games on this monitor, albeit at a reduced graphical quality level. I take that as a win, and I'm very happy with this monitor upgrade. I would love to know what are you currently using as a monitor, so drop a comment down below. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is TJ, this is Tech Chef, and I will catch you on the next one.